Look at you. You holding it like a taco now. Like a burrito. Guys, this is how you eat a pizza. You fold it in half. What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube?
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back. We got pizza for y'all.
We got a legit pizza.
But we only got one slice.
We got one.
That one slice
just
pizza.
Just one itty bitty little piece of pizza.
Something like that. Ladies, y'all want to see that one slice?
You want to see this one little itty bitty piece?
Okay, I might disappear because every time we put something on camera, I disappear. I turn dark as heck. I don't care.
Warning.
So if you can't see me anymore,
he's still here. He's still here. Don't worry.
You might see my eyes though. You might see my eyes.
Ready?
Show them, like.
Oh my gosh. Ugh. Can you guys see that?
We had to go and do this in the car. Y'all see that one slice?
What a slice? Can you even see me still? I'm here.
My head is cut off.
One slice of pizza, you guys.
And a car.
Slice.
And it's just hot too. It's
we need
still
to
greasy.
figure out how we're gonna eat this because this box is huge.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, wait.
We're gonna have to rip this off, like.
Yeah, we need to rip this off, and I think I need to go in like the back seat so, like, I don't know, I can eat from the front because this box is hard.
Yeah, I'm gonna start ripping it off.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Hey.
Oh, that's legit cardboard.
That's a legit. If it's not dirty, we can flip this upside down.
Is it dirty?
No, it ain't dirty.
So let's flip it. You flip it. I'll hold it. You flip it.
I don't know how we gonna do that.
How are you gonna flip it with my head? This is a struggle, you guys. Okay, wait.
Okay, put this like this.
Let's lift it up. Wait, don't tip it over.
No, hold it.
Ah.
I got the skills, guys. Oh my gosh.
That's your engineering mind. He studied engineering. That's what it's used for.
You gotta think it through, guys. Now we can show y'all the big slice.
Oh my gosh, if it can even fit all on the screen.
You gotta hold that in. Don't lift it up, just hold it up.
Really? Look at it though. That's a good picture. Look at this, you guys. Like, we saw a lot of like videos of people doing one slice and we're like, what the heck?
We gonna do this in the car.
I want some of that.
Yep. And we decided we're gonna do this in the car too. Our car mukbang. I'm like mukbang.
Mukbang. Let's eat.
I'm gonna turn this that way.
I'm gonna do some legit, but.
What you talking about? Let me see.
That pepperoni. You guys, we got this from a place called Lammana'S. It's here in Toronto. It's like it's a legit Italian bakery. I'm just gonna go in from the side. Got all over your face already. Damn. That dough is so good. What?
We're gonna take a bite at the same time.
Fine. I thought it was cute. It wasn't no cute.
It's cute, but I'm trying to eat in
Okay, my
pieces.
turn. Big slice doesn't mean big bite. This is the best pizza I've ever had. Yeah, it's a place called Lammana'S. It's an authentic Italian bakery. It's actually Google or whatever website. It says it's actually like one of the best in Toronto, best Italian bakeries. They have like gelatos, pastas, desserts.
This pizza is too good.
It's heavy.
Put it down, disappearing.
Oh, oopsies.
You're probably passing by and be like, what the heck are they eating in the car? And they talk to themselves.
They're just jealous, huh? Pick up. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Hiccups.
Here. This is actually the best pepperoni pizza I've ever had in my life. My whole life.
Hiccup.
I'm sure they can see you move and they know you're having a hiccup. Wow. Yeah, I probably noticed I'm saying less words today. I'm not even talking as much. This thing is just too good.
Stop taking all the toppings off. Who's gonna eat the empty spot?
You.
Not me. So like eats all the topping and then there's like just dough.
That hiccup ain't stopping today. Yeah, I'm gonna eat the dough.
But the dough's actually good.
Everything about this pizza is actually no words. It's too good.
Sweet, it's thin.
The cheese pop. It tastes creamy. I'm gonna just continue eating without talking as much.
This isn't no like ordinary cheese. It's like, I feel like it's like imported or something. It tastes different from your like Domino's or Pizza. Look, it fits in the frame now. The whole thing fits in the frame.
Maybe you should stop talking and eat. You said it's hard to eat on this side. Why don't you eat from this?
I am. I just ate from here.
I am, but...
This is your fault.
Wow. I'm gonna fold this in half.
Damn. Now that was a legit bite.
Wow.
We gotta show you guys the other items that they have at this place. Their lasagna. To die for.
Wow.
Their tiramisu. To die for.
These people are making a lot of noise outside. Put the windows up.
They don't skimp out on the pepperonis either.
Look at all these pepperonis. Like this is what's left so far. This pepperoni is crazy. There's a lot of pepperoni on this.
Everywhere's pepperoni. But I think here you can only get pepperoni or cheese for this big one slice. Look at how look at this dough, you guys. That's like one part that's thick, but like, oh my gosh, it's so fluffy. Like it's so fluffy. Like this is the normal. It's normally thin like that. Just this piece is like, look how fluffy. So yummy. How did you fold it?
Like this. I made you one here, right here. Show them your folding. While that's folded, I'm gonna get a piece too. Look at you. You're holding it like a taco now. Like a burrito.
It's small enough now.
Guys, this is how you eat a pizza. You fold it in half.
Such weirdos.
Yeah, we weird.
You're weird,
Y'all
not
missing
me.
out. You just said such weirdos.
You're such a weirdo. We're definitely halfway now.
For sure halfway. Look at that. I'm gonna show them. This is the crust, guys. And this is it right here now.
Look, it actually fits in the frame. Before, remember, like we barely fit it. Actually, no, we didn't even fit it. Like, you guys
Literally the best pepperoni pizza I've had in my whole
Their
entire
pepperoni
life.
is different. It's not like, I don't know, I feel like they've like imported the pepperoni from somewhere. You better eat, what the heck?
I'm getting full. I'll eat the crust though.
Thank God those hiccups went away.
You can talk now.
You guys, you need to come here. It's in Port Union, so it's in
Port
Scarborough.
Union and 401.
Yeah, Port Union 401. Like, Kingston and Shepherd area.
Wow.
We're sitting outside. Obviously outside, we're in the car. But it's like, what, today's what, 30 degrees? It's
Yeah,
freakishly hot in
Celsius.
here. Oh yeah.
It's hot. It's
You
hot
guys
today.
use Fahrenheit, huh? Celsius.
Some of you guys use Fahrenheit from the States, right?
I don't know. Do people in India use Fahrenheit too? Or like,
I think so, yeah.
yeah? You guys have to do that conversion because I don't know.
I know 0 Celsius is 30 Fahrenheit. So when it's 30 Fahrenheit, is 0 Celsius.
So that means what?
When it's 30 Fahrenheit, it's freezing point.
So does that mean you have to multiply by 30?
What?
Or add 30?
That's the equation to it.
Oh. Why are you stopping? You see this, guys?
Don't be rushing me. What the heck? Oh, yeah.
He's playing around.
Hear that guy come again. Bye.
This guy's on like a little itty bitty motorcycle. Making a lot of noise.
It's probably in his like 40s or something.
Yeah.
These pepperoni are good.
That's what I'm saying. It's almost like a mixture of pepperoni and salami. That kid. That big kid.
I'm a big kid now. That's him right there. He was in the commercial. I think I'm gonna call it quits. Let me see you continue eating. I think we did a good job. I think we did a good job, guys.
I think we did a good job too. I wonder if there's anyone who actually finished this
Whoever finished the pizza,
by themselves.
congratulations.
I'd
You
be
deserve a
impressed.
dessert.
For dessert.
Yeah, I'm done.
If they can fit a dessert down after this by themselves.
But I can actually eat the crust though. Let me get some of that crust. I was really hungry today though.
Clearly not.
No. Doesn't make any sense. Just because I was super hungry, that doesn't mean I'm gonna finish the whole food.
I do.
You ain't gonna finish the whole food. Get out of here.
I don't know. We'll see. I ain't getting full though. Of all things, why are you gonna eat the crust?
It's less heavy.
The crust is
You know
my
what I
least
need? You know what I
favorite
need? The Frank's hot sauce.
part. Actually, no, I think that'd be pretty good.
But this pizza was too good though. I'm done. I know you're done too. I'm full. I am done. Holding it down for the Asian people?
And then one more bite and I'm done too.
I knew you were not gonna last for long.
Lasts longer than you?
Whatever.
This is how much we ate, guys. We have this?
Oh, that's actually good.
Yeah. Just this left. The ending.
That's actually pretty good. Like, show them how it was. This is the crust, guys. And I took a piece right here. This is the crust. This is the bottom right here. Oh man, I'm gonna try for one more bite.
Are you? The heck? If you go one more bite, I go one more bite too.
This is your competition. Wipe your mouth. I think I can do a few more bites.
I can do 2 more bites too.
Okay, I'm done. You can tell this thing is not moving anywhere. Oh no. I am done.
Sorry.
Hey, you're tripping right now.
I just have to do one more bite than him.
Really? No, I'm joking. I can't eat no more. I think I ate more than you. I took big bites. You took small bites.
I definitely ate more than you. But he ate lunch and I didn't, so I didn't really eat anything today. He had food. I am officially finito.
Yeah.
That was good though. That was really actually really good.
No, that was actually the best pepperoni pizza
Ever.
in my entire life.
Yeah. But thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for joining us for another mukbang.
Thank you guys.
We hope you guys are enjoying our videos. We love interacting with you guys. So keep the comments coming, guys. Keep them coming. And make sure you join our family.
Nah, they already joined. I mean, for whoever is not subscribed, subscribe.
Then you'll be a part of the Jess and B fam.
Yeah, I know what it is. But subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and don't forget to share it.
Share the video.
And we're going to keep growing the Jess and B fam. And thank you for all you guys that already commented, and like the video and subscribe. We love you guys. All the people that keep commenting, we love you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. But anyways, guys.
Nah, don't. You ended it, and I looked at you because I'm like, you forgetting something.
How do you not know that I was about to say it?
Okay.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Alright, guys. Join us next time around our car. Ice cream truck.
It's right there. Ice cream mukbang?
Oh.
Not today, guys. we gonna get some ice cream though. Alright, peace, guys.
See you.
See ya.